my French toast favorite recipe. Guys, let's make this recipe together. The first thing I did was to crack the eggs. I used 2 eggs for this recipe. Then I used half cup of milk. I added sugar, and also I added cinnamon and salt. Then I added vanilla. For this recipe, I had to cut off the edges of the bread. If you got into this part of my video, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and please share with your friends. Thank you.